orangutan. It has hairy skin. See, hairy skin is so cool. I am a longan. It is small and juicy. I am a honeydew melon. It is green inside. Whee, let's roll.
I am a bale fruit. It has a hard shell.
I am a tangerine. It is easy to peel. I am a lychee. It is small and sweet. I am a star fruit. It looks like a star. I am a jackfruit. It is very big. I am a cantaloupe. It is sweet and fresh. I am a sugar apple. It is soft and sweet. I am a durian. It has a strong smell. I am a cranberry. It is small and sour.
I am a passion fruit. It smells very strong.
Wow, I am so strong! I am a persimmon. It is orange and sweet.
I am a soursop. It is big and soft.
I am a langsat. It is small and sweet.
I am a tamarind. It tastes sweet and sour.
I am a mulberry. It is soft and juicy.
I am a breadfruit. It is round and green.
I am a sapodilla. It is brown and sweet. I am a blackberry. It is small and dark. I am mangosteen. My skin is purple outside, and I have a secret inside. I am a salad. It has snake-like skin. I am a gooseberry. It is small and green.